For the facet, I will use the similar seat, the same. Then I will create this part. So I will copy this, hold on the shift and make a copy. I need to remove some part, actually the center part totally I will remove. Sorry, I have been remove this too, shouldn't. Always check from the other side. Okay, keep it like this, and I believe it is still a small. So I will make it bigger right now. Then I will create one circle, because I will use the loft for creating this part. And a circle like this, and our pad. The pad is a simple line, and I will hold down the shift. When you use the shift, it will force it to move straight. One click, one click, and one click. Then choose the middle vertices and use the fillet to make it round, same as what it is. Select these vertices because it probably, yes, they are two, and weld, make sure your weld is high, weld, and these two, weld. Let me bring it up, it is a corner, or actually I can delete this, and this is one. Okay, go to the left, component object, the left, and get shape. This is my shape, the circle that we have been created, and this is my facet. The only thing that I want to change is this part, and I want to create something like this. You already have learned how you can do it with the modeling, with the edit poly, but I want to show you what you can do if you just have one choice, and that is loft. So go to the modifier while the loft is selected. You really don't need to use so much pad, and the shape step you can decrease it, because later we will give it, apply it, the edit poly, optimize it, make sure it is selected, then go to the scale. Go to the scale and make some new dots here. I need to zoom in this part, and again another and another here, so I can see where it has been created. So I can select them, move them to the big close, and if I move with this, maybe it go up or down. So I will choose another way of the move, which is just horizontally move it, I can see where is okay. I think now is okay. Then select these two and move them up. Right, I can make it closer to here and this closer. So we have been created this facet also, but there is one point how I can create this curvy shape. Okay, if you really want to create that one also, we can do it in the loft also. Here just select one more, something like this, but it is not really beautiful. It is not. So right click, bezier to corner, something want to be similar to this one. Let me zoom in. I have this. Try to push it down, and you can see the shape. So just move it also up here. If you want to see with the higher steps, it is what we have been created. Well, I can actually yes, actually we need to apply the edit polish, so better to use the lower steps and lower shape. Optimize it will help to scatter and spread the vertices in the place that it really needs. Okay, with this amount I will right click and convert it to editable poly. So now I can apply the turbo smooth, and in the turbo smooth I will, before this I will need to delete this one, and to be better shape just select this one here and hold down the shift and create the new faces. Let me isolate in this part. This part again same, you can delete it, but you don't need to create any extra face in here. As you can see in the loft, it has been created many polygons. You can delete some of them which are not really necessary. Same as these two, I won't delete the rest. Just a loop, hold down the control and push the backspace button from the keyboard. We are doing this to reduce so much edges and polygons. The same at the bottom. Okay, and this is how we have been created the facet. And then just copy this, and this is the finished.